Welcome. Let's take a look now at a risk event for the week starting Monday, the 13th of March. We're off now to DailyFX and Nick Cawley. Nick, good to talk to you. What you got for us?
Yeah, good morning, Jeremy. The risk event for next week I'm looking at is euro sterling. We have the ECB latest policy meeting next Thursday on the 16th of March. Fully expected to hike interest rates by 50 basis points. In fact, I believe Christine Lagarde said that was going to happen at the last meeting. But what you're seeing over at the ECB at the moment is you're seeing a sort of there's a lot of confusion within the bank. I know one of the ECB members, Holtzman, recently called for 4 consecutive 50 basis point rate hikes starting next week, while one of the other members, Visco, has actually told the council and the board to stop giving guidance on rate hikes. But what we're going to see is we're likely to see a more hawkish ECB, a reiteration of that, and this should strengthen the euro. Now, the week after that, we have the Bank of England interest rate hike. That's on the Thursday, the 23rd. And this is expected to be either 25 or 50 basis points. But this is not Bank of England, slightly more dovish than the ECB. So what you're going to see here is you're going to see the potential for the euro to outperform sterling. If you look at the charts, if you look at the daily euro sterling chart, you can see that we've kind of been stuck in this range between around the 87.20 level and the 89.78, with a slight trend of late of moving higher. If I was looking to trade this, I would look to get in around the 88.60 level, which is just below where we are at the moment. I'd look to put a stop on around the maybe around the 88.10 level, 88.05, 88.10 level, around here. And my target, my full end target, would be this 89.78 here. So as I said, what I think you're going to see in this pair is you're going to see the dovishness from the Bank of England, the hawkishness from the ECB playing out.
Yep, giving rise to a long euro sterling trade. Nick, it's a pleasure. Thanks indeed for joining us with the risk event. The week starting Monday, the 13th of March, that ECB rate decision on Thursday.